Hello friends, did you know what is the most important part of product design? For any product design, reading the engineering drawing is most important task. Drawing is the communication between all the stakeholders. Let's start our tutorial with basics of engineering drawing. Today, we will learn about first and third angle projection, its difference, and its usage in industry. The coordinate plane is divided into 4 quadrants, that are first, second, third, and fourth quadrant. In engineering drawing, these are nothing but the angle projections. First quadrant is first angle projection, second quadrant is second, third quadrant is third, and fourth quadrant is fourth angle projection. However, we never use the second and fourth angle projections. Comment if you know the reason. When we mention first angle projection in drawing, we indirectly stating object is in the first quadrant, and for third angle projection, object is in the third quadrant. Let's understand the difference. Note that in both cases observer is always right side or top side of the coordinate planes. For first angle projection, object is placed between observer and the plane. Object view projects on the plane, front view on positive Y plane, and top view on positive X plane. When you rotate this whole orthographic view to the left, you will get symbol for first angle projection. Now, it's easy to remember the symbol, isn't it? Let's learn about third angle projection now. In third angle projection, plane is in between the object and observer. Here object views are captured on the plane. Front view on negative Y plane and top view on negative X plane. Keep in mind, unlike first angle, where views are projected, in third angle, views are captured like in a camera. Can you guess the symbol for third angle projection? Exactly. Rotate the orthographic view to left. As we learn about projection method, let's find out where and which field prefer which projection method. First angle projection mostly used in Europe, Asia and Canada region, whereas USA and Australia prefer to use third angle projection. First angle method generally used in aerospace industry, automobile, and heavy machinery. Third angle method used in manufacturing and product-based industry. We hope you enjoy this tutorial. Please like, comment, and follow us. We will upload new technical topics soon. Till then, stay tuned and stay happy. Thank you.